I will never forgive you. I am a woman like you, and I plead for you to have mercy. I never support. What he did wasn't good.
So guys, as you can see, as you're seeing, actually the thing that brought me to this community is Mama to meet the reason why that the brother came here for rituals that made him mad. The covenant they had together that he could not fulfill. That was the thing that made the other brother to be mad. That's why we are here. So guys, in case you're just joining us on this,
Mr. Gabriel,
sorry.
I told you before, that time you brought cameramen. I don't like camera.
Mom, this thing is for my safety. If not for my safety, I will not be coming with it. And also, I just want my people to be aware of what is going on.
Your safety? Am I slaughtering you here?
I'm not saying that. I understand what I'm saying. Man, let's go. Don't worry. This is my first time of me coming here. Eh? Be there here.
Stop there.
Hold on, man.
I know that a day like this will come, and I've been expecting you all. Stop there, for you cannot go further.
Can we know you?
She's the person.
Naturally, the person.
Yeah.
So why are you stopping us up here? How do you know that?
No, leave her. You don't ask a spiritual person, how do you know? Because already we see in the spirit. The spiritual controls the physical. Don't do that. Just watch and keep calm. Before you get me angry, this flame got me angry the other time.
Sorry, man.
Enough of all this. The solution why you all are here can never be granted to you.
It will be granted.
It will never be granted to you.
It will be granted. Do you know why it will be granted? Whatever you did in the place of love should not be counted because of love. You are a woman like me. Even though we are not just a mortal body, we are immortals. But we still have a kind of spots in our hearts. Why will you be this heartless?
You are a spirit and also a human. And you also have the heart of pain. Like I said, the solution why you're here will never, I repeat, will never be granted to you.
Okay, let's look at it this way. Or let's see it this way. You try your best. I know he hurts you. I know he betrayed you. I know he cheated on you. He shattered your heart and bruised your spirit. But you can pamper justice with mercy. Even Chokike, that is up, he said, if there is no sin, there is no forgiveness. And that is even what our Chikobrama used to say. So why will you tie your heart? Yes, the man did wrong, but will you kill him because of that? Have you seen him recently, how he's raving mad everywhere? No. I know inside of you, you have that spot of love and pity. You shouldn't allow the hatred of what he did to overrule the sense of your reasoning.
You can never tell me what to do. Like I said, I know what is passing through, and I place that curse on him.
Man, why will you place the curse on him?
And who are you to question me?
No, who am I to question? Why will you place the curse on him? Whatever is the case, must you exchange somebody's life with money?
Do you know what it means to pass through pains?
I know people pass through pains and people pass through heartbreak. Mom, I'm sorry that I'll have to equip my mouth because I know she cannot do me anything. There's nothing on this earth. Ma'am, I know what I'm saying. You cannot do me anything. Why will you put somebody's life at stake because of yourself or maybe the love that you had together? If something does not work, I believe that you should let go of it.
Should I tell in details what that young man did to me?
Yes, tell me. I want to know. Let me know why you did it.
Do you know how I've sacrificed for him? And yet, just look at the place I am.
You sacrifice for him and so what? I put myself in stake for people, but they go, I don't react back. I don't go and think bad against them.
Because you're not spiritual.
Ma, I'm sorry to say this. For the one that worked with me, they referred me to her. She does nothing but to heal people, and if something should go wrong, she will fix it. Even if she did it and you go, you don't come back, she don't care.
Do you know what is an agreement?
What is an agreement?
Do you know what is sealed with an oath? Or with a blood?
Ma, you did not tell me that blood was involved. Please tell me, I would like to know, what exactly did this young man uncle do?
I used myself to make him who he was, and he abandoned me. Countless time, not once, not twice. I know how I slept in the forest just to make him who he was.
This place is so unkept for you. This place is so unkept for you.
It is unkept because he abandoned me here.
But you are a spirit. How can you place your hope on a human being?
I'm a part human
I know.
and a part spirit.
Yes, you are a part human, a part spirit. But it's not right for you to place your soul on a human being. Bro, I'm talking on behalf of your uncle, so I expect you should be begging.
Hold on. This is not your place anymore.
Mama, I want to say something.
You go, Mr. Gabriel, please shift. Let him come over
What
there.
I want to say is that...
Go over there and beg her.
What I want to tell is that...
Go on your knees. Go on your knees and beg her.
But the
I
critical...
said
Go on your knees. Do what the
How
sister
dare
please.
you?
I want to say something now.
They
Can
said
you
blood was
say?
involved in this thing, and you are there telling you what to say. Go on your knees and beg her.
I want to tell her to go and release my uncle now. My uncle is critical in madness.
Is it how you say it?
This relationship and love of the thing, is it not vice versa? Is it not the thing? This relationship...
What comes in love goes in love. So whatever love sees, let love take. You have to beg and not to raise your voice at her.
Don't say
Before
bad
I will make you deaf and dumb and choke your tongue into your mouth.
Mama, please. That we were not here to
I
make
am here to make peace and you're here to raise your voice.
Please, we are not here to make situation worse.
Why are you putting fuel inside more fire?
What's your problem? Baba, beg now. I will leave this place. Oh.
I'm sorry about everything my uncle did to you. I'm sorry. Please forgive.